So in today's video, we are in Twickenham, which is in London in the UK, and I am going to be talking you through this incredible outdoor kitchen and parasol that we've recently installed. So I'll show you, or I'll talk you through the construction of this kitchen and how we built it so you can get an idea of how it's made. So this kitchen, and this is a first for us actually, we've got these 45-degree transitions on the end. So when we were in the planning stages of this and I was chatting to the customer about it, he was talking about perhaps having just a linear section here and then two returns like that, but then he was thinking about having these 45-degree turns, and in the end we decided to go for these 45, and it just works really well. It makes the kitchen feel really enclosed, but with still lots of usable space on the end here. When you have a 45, sometimes this area at the back here it becomes a little bit unusable, but here you've got access to all of this worktop space as well. And what we've also done is created a little overhang here, so you can have bar stools all the way around, and it's like a bar area where you can have your friends and your family sat there. So like I mentioned before, this was made using concrete blocks, the same way that we normally do, and we have then tiled this with these split face tiles. So this is like a white and silvery finish. It's got nice little sort of sparkly speckles. You can also see we've got some LED lights running underneath there. These tiles actually match fountain that's over there that's got the same sort of tiles on there, so that works really well in sort of bringing different parts of the garden together. You'll notice here we've got the vents here. Now these vents are at the top as opposed to the bottom because the barbecue and the side burner are all run off natural gas. So if you are running off propane gas, you want your vents at the bottom because it's heavier. If you're running off natural gas, you put your vents at the top because it's lighter. And if you ever have a leak or anything, it gives it somewhere like a chance for the gas to get out. So these worktops are just incredible. This I think is called Cosmic Black or Black Cosmic, something like that. It's a dark granite, almost like a brownie, but it's got this marbly quartz veins and patterns running through it. It's actually the same worktop that the customer has inside on their internal kitchen, but we've never used this color granite before, and I think it looks absolutely amazing. So I'll run through all the appliances and the things that this kitchen has got in it. So starting here, we've got a stainless steel sink and tap. This sink is probably a sink and a half, a bowl and a half. So I know with the sort of cooking that they're doing, they have big pots and things like that. So it's quite important the sink was big enough for them to get the pots in there and be able to wash them. Underneath the sink, we've just got a single access door, stainless steel, the way that we normally do. That gives you access to the waste, all the utilities, the feed, the water and everything that's underneath there. It's also good for storage as well. Coming along to here, you've got the Beefeater Proline barbecue. Again, this is natural gas. So with this is a really good side burner. This actually matches the Beefeater Proline barbecue series as well. You get the hooded version and you have the flat hooded version as well. So to turn this on, it's literally a case of just pushing it, turning it, and it ignites. Underneath the side burner, we then have some triple drawers here. Brilliant, ideal, really useful for storage. You can never have too much storage in an outdoor kitchen. Coming along to here, Napoleon Prestige Pro 665 gas barbecue. Again, so this is a natural gas version. You can get it either natural gas or you can get it in propane. Back burner, you've got 7 burners overall. You've got the 4 main burners, you've got your back burner, and you've got your burner for the smoker as well. You put the wood chips in there. Really, really big, nearly a metre of cooking space there. completely stainless steel. It comes with a rotisserie. It's got lights inside. All of this lights up. It's got sensors. A fantastic barbecue. Really, really good. Underneath there, we've just got our two stainless steel access doors. Now, normally we would keep the gas tank in here, but in this case, it just gives you access to all the electrics, everything that's underneath there. You've got your gas underneath there as well, like your piping. And yeah, storage, plenty of storage under there as well. And this here also, you've got a pull out, that's your drip tray as well. So when you're using this, I would always recommend putting tinfoil or sand or something like that into the drip tray. So when you get all your drippings from your food, goes in there. At the end, when you finish, you can just take the tinfoil off, throw it away, and it's easy to clean up. Right, so coming along to here, this is a pull-out bin. So actually the customer's got their charcoal in there, which is a really good idea for using it for that. Normally we would say keep the bin in there, but use it for whatever you will. Next along here, we've got the Monolith Classic Kamado. This is the Pro Series. You may have seen these, or you've definitely seen these if you've seen our videos before. Really versatile barbecue. It's a charcoal barbecue. You can slow cook on it, you can sear on it, you can roast on it, you can do pizzas on it. Slow cooking, really, really fantastic barbecue. I've got one of these at home actually, and I use it a lot. I use it all the time. And last but not least, you've got the Napoleon single fridge there. So I think this is about 135 litres of storage space in there. Perfect for keeping all of your drinks, all of your food cold when you've got your guests around for a nice barbecue. So another really exciting part of this project is this Poggesi parasole that's been installed. Now this parasole is, I think it's about 5 meters long by 3.5 meters wide. It completely covers the whole kitchen. And it just works really well in this space. So what it does do, it doesn't take up lots of space in your garden. So you've literally got this stand here, and when folded in, it just goes straight up in the air. So it's not encroaching, it doesn't block out the sun, but then it covers this huge space here to keep you in the dry and keep you under cover. You can have lights as well that will go in here. You also have heaters that will go in there. It can be tilted to any angle. It can be swung around to any other angle. So if, for example, you had a table and chairs that were over there, once you finished your cooking, you could swing the parasole round and have it over your dining table to keep you dry and in the warm then. So if you've got any questions on this kitchen or any of our kitchens at all, or any of the appliances or any of the videos that we do, make sure you leave a comment below or just email us or give us a ring. I'll leave all the details in the description below. If you've enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. We really appreciate it. It really helps the channel. And if you want to see more of the projects that we're up to, make sure to head over to Instagram and Facebook and give us a follow on there. So thanks very much for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.